Menteri Luar Negeri atau Menlu Amerika Serikat Antony Blinken membuat jamuan makan malam untuk Presiden Prabowo Subianto di American Foreign Service Association, Washington DC, Amerika Serikat pada Selasa 12 November 2024 malam waktu setempat. Blinken terlihat menunggu Prabowo di lobi gedung. Menlu menyampaikan betapa pentingnya kunjungan Prabowo ini ke Amerika Serikat. Begitu selesai makan malam, Prabowo mempertanyakan solusi yang disiapkan pemerintahan Amerika Serikat guna menyelesaikan konflik di Palestina. Blinken lantas menjawab bahwa Presiden Amerika Serikat sedang bekerja keras dalam menangani permasalahan Palestina itu. Di sisi lain, Blinken menilai bahwa kunjungan Prabowo ke Amerika Serikat sangat menguntungkan kedua belah pihak. Ini merupakan kunjungan pertama Prabowo ke Amerika Serikat sejak dilantik pada 20 Oktober 2024 lalu. Hal ini pun sekaligus untuk merayakan hubungan Indonesia-Amerika yang telah terjalin selama 75 tahun. Untuk diketahui, Prabowo melakukan kunjungan ke beberapa negara beberapa waktu lalu setelah dilantik. Setelah sebelumnya ke China, Prabowo melanjutkan kunjungan ke Amerika Serikat.
Good evening. Welcome.
Secretary.
Welcome. So good to have you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My first time.
Mr. President, you know our ambassador.
Yes.
And our Assistant Secretary for the region.
How are you, sir? Thank you, sir.
Right this way, sir. Please.
Thank you.
Follow me.
Thank you.
On it. Well, welcome. Mr. President, Mr. Secretary, we're going to take this elevator over here. We're going to go upstairs.
And we'd be honored to have you sign the
Mayor Rappaport from the National Security Council.
Our Deputy Secretary.
Very good to see you.
Delegates, please have a seat. Thank you. Delegates.
Wonderful to have you in the United States. We're looking forward to this visit. And I just want to say at the outset that we attach great importance to the relationship, long-standing relationship between our countries, 75 years. But it's particularly auspicious, I think, that you're here, newly inaugurated, for these 75 years. And it's a wonderful way to start the next 75 years. You know, so your visit is a critical moment in that effort. But mostly welcome. I hope you brought your appetite with you tonight. We very much look forward to the conversation with colleagues. Thank you so much for it.
What about Palestine? You think you can do something?
Yeah, we're working very hard. We're working very hard on that. Hopefully we're trying to get a better place to go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. It's good to see you.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.